Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldman Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Selenite Gray Metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Come around back. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. An LED logo which appears when you open the door. Burmeister sound system. Heated seats, memory seats, a black ash wood trim, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. This one does come with the multimedia package, which is going to give you navigation with voice command, push start ignition, got a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 41,326 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.